Hello guys, so we are here to create our BookBolt account. If you check the description of this video, you see the link leading to this page. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to the pricing plan where you're going to see two different plan. There's a newbie plan and there's a pro plan. Now the newbie plan is limited. You won't get everything that you need to really create a good book on Amazon. So I would advise you to go with the Pro plan. The Pro plan has everything, has all the things that you need. So you can select either the monthly plan or the yearly plan, whichever one you feel free, whichever one you wish to use. Go ahead and click on the button that says start your 3-day trial. It will give you a 3 days without you. They won't charge you for 3 days. You just test the platform. If you like it, you continue. If you don't like it, you can cancel your subscription. But you will definitely love it. You definitely love it. So go ahead and click start 3-day trial. It will take you to the registration page where you are going to enter your name, your country, your email address, and your password. Go ahead and enter these details and click on the next button. Now, once you've clicked on the next button, it will take you to the payments page. This is where you're going to enter your card details, enter your name, your card number. Now, this coupon code is optional. That's if you want to reduce the amount you're going to pay. I have already provided a coupon code with my name, Nwaeze, in capital letter. It's already in the description of the video as well. So go ahead and click and enter this coupon code here so that it will reduce the amount you're going to pay. Once you are done with that, and click on register. Now I already have an account, so I'm not going to click register. I already have an account. I'm just going to log in. Now once I log in, I'll show you how in the inside of the page. All right, so I've logged in into my BookBolt account. As you can see, there's two tabs here. There's a research tab and there's a create tab. Now, this research is for you to make research, find out books, the tutorials, and every other thing you need to create your book. Then the create tab is where you're going to create the book, both the cover and the interior, everything. Now, by default, you are on the research tab. You see tutorial there, tutorial videos here where showing you how to create different things. This one I said how to create maths, mass cover create, how to create a book cover in mass. This is a KDP spy, KDP category. So just go ahead and watch each of these videos. You will learn many things about this product and how to use it. Although I'll still show you how to use at least the basic things. Then you can take your time and now go through it and learn more. This is a product. You use it to research for product, seller information, a lot of things. I will go through this. I'll go through all this menu with time. For now, I just want to show you how the dashboard looks like when you've logged in. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to search for a product, find out which one is the best selling, and how to copy the success strategies they are using to replicate it and create your own product that you're going to sell on Amazon. So go ahead and go to the next video and where I'll show you how to do that.